Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams.
On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam, and on the right, we have the REDTIGER 4K dash cam.
Get ready for some serious comparisons and hilarious banter.
Let's dive right in. Alright folks, let's talk about the most important aspect of a dash cam, the video quality. The ROVE R2-4K Pro boasts 4K UHD recording at 30 frames per second, capturing every detail with stunning clarity.
Meanwhile, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam offers 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera, ensuring you never miss a beat. It's like having your own personal movie studio in your car. Now, let's see which dash cam keeps you connected on the go. The ROVE R2-4K Pro comes with advanced 5G and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to pair your smartphones effortlessly.
With their user-friendly app, you can easily view, download, and share your videos with friends and family.
Plus, they even provide over-the-air firmware updates for free.
Talk about staying ahead of the game.
GPS functionality is a must-have for any dash cam, and the ROVE R2-4K Pro delivers. It records real-time LED speed and compass on the LCD, providing you with precise driving routes and additional evidence.
It's like having a personal co-pilot right in your car. Alright folks, let's talk about parking mode.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro offers a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with 3 options: 1 FPS time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. If anything happens while you're away, this dash cam will record the event, lock it safely, and give you a voice alert when you start your car. It's like having a security guard for your car.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro dash cam is praised for its easy setup, quality design, and thoughtful touches like including cleaning wipes. Reviewers appreciate the clear instructions and software, as well as the ability to easily transfer videos to their computer.
However, some reviewers mention that the camera stops recording when the engine is turned off, limiting its use in certain situations. The built-in speedometer may also be inaccurate. The REDTIGER 4K dash cam is highly recommended for its outstanding performance, ease of use, and excellent customer service. Reviewers praise its intuitive touchscreen interface, crystal clear recording quality, wide-angle lens, and easy installation process.
However, there is a security issue where the Wi-Fi password is displayed on the screen, making it visible and easy to hack. REDTIGER has acknowledged the issue and is planning an upgrade to fix it.
And there you have it, folks.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro and the REDTIGER 4K dash cam battling it out for the title of Best Dash Cam.
Both these products offer incredible features and will surely elevate your driving experience.
Remember, it's all about finding the perfect fit for your needs.
So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. The links to both products are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.